This bike is a Commencal Meta SX 2015 model in bright orange. It's a full suspension bike. The color is okay. I just matched the color of the grips with the color of the seat, and it's okay. Okay, the fork is Fox, Sensus grips, Z brakes, ZRD, Dabomb Strafe rear hub, Industry 9 rims, DHR and DHF tires, Chromag seat, Spank stem and bars, Atomlab pedals and Sram cranks, KSW Integra ang dropper post. Well, I put it to use. Most of the time I ride it and take more pictures of it so I can stare at it longer on my cell phone. This bike has a 160mm travel on both ends and has 26-inch tires, which makes it fun to play with on gaps and in and out of berms, even longer gaps like this. Even on dirt jumps like this. I guess the speed is subjective, but having 26-inch tires and 160mm rear suspension makes it a little slower compared to newer models and bikes with bigger tires. I am fortunate enough to have this as my fourth bike and my first legit MTB trail bike. The other bikes that I have are slope bikes and DJ bike, which I'm going to review next time. That's it. I hope you like this video and get you to subscribe on this channel. See you guys next time. Ride safest. Bye bye.